Okay, I'm here now with Zach Schadek. He's the Vice President of Specialty Gases for Tier 5 Labs, an AWG company. And also here with Tracie Thibodaux. She is an account manager for Coastal Welding Supply, which was a recent acquisition from AWG. Zach, we'll start with you. Talk about some of the products that you would partner with GAWDA Distributors to sell.
Absolutely. Thanks for this opportunity. We provide a lot of high-end spec gas products such as UHP oxygen, and we also do UHP hydrogen, EPA protocol gases, and custom blends. At our coastal facility, they're very strong with petrochemical type blends as well, and that's certainly a unique product line that we're well positioned to supply.
Very good. And kind of touching on the same subject here, so the bench strength. Talk about the bench strength that added with the acquisition and what that means to the business and the coverage map.
Yeah, absolutely. So we acquired Coastal May 1st of last year. Obviously a very high-end specialty gas and industrial gas supplier to our marketplace. Great people. We're very happy to welcome them to the AWG family. From a spec gas perspective, we have Tier 5 labs in Indianapolis and now Coastal in Beaumont, Texas, and that just gives us a very wide platform to be able to supply gases to the independent distributor.
Awesome. And you've seen it in the news a little bit recently in the last few years. Some upgrades have happened at both facilities. When was that spec gas lab put online?
January 2021.
Very good. And it's fully operational now?
Fully operational, we're rocking and rolling.
Very good. And how about you, Zach? You guys had a similar upgrade to your facility. Talk us through that.
Sure. In about that same time frame, we put a substantial investment into the infrastructure of our facility in Indianapolis, building up fill rooms and majorly expanding our lab. And then since then, we've added new associates to increase our capability. But the biggest thing I'd like to talk about is the acquisition of Coastal and bringing them into the family. Their technical expertise and knowledge is just number one, and the ability for us to share ideas, transfer technology is only going to make us a very strong source for your specialty gas.
All right, well, there you have it. A quick update from Tier 5 Labs and Coastal Welding Supply. We thank you guys for everything that you do for us throughout the year. Always great to see you at the shows.
Thank you.
And hope you have a nice rest of the time.
We appreciate the time.
All righty.